Welcome, jewelry makers. Today we'll be exploring the stone apatite. Dev, our graduate gemologist, will be giving us some fun facts about this stone, including how it got its name, what types of jewelry we should use it in, and much more. I'll also be showing you a very simple necklace pendant to make using this stone. I hope you enjoy the video.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Apatite is a striking gemstone known for its vivid hues, ranging from electric blues and greens to golden yellows and deep purples. Its name comes from the Greek word apato, meaning to deceive, as apatite's diverse colors often resemble other gemstones such as tourmaline or peridot. Though often overlooked, this stunning mineral has been used for centuries in jewelry, admired for its brilliant luster and eye-catching saturation. Many believe apatite carries uplifting and inspiring energy, making it a favorite among designers looking to create jewelry that encourages creativity and motivation. However, it is a relatively soft stone, so extra care should be taken to avoid scratches and protect it from harsh chemicals. With mindful handling, apatite's vibrant hues and luminous quality make it a stunning addition to any jewelry collection.
Welcome, Dev. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Susan. Good to be back.
So today we're talking about the stone apatite.
Yeah, beautiful colors, yeah.
And it's pronounced just apatite, right?
Just apatite.
Okay.
And so it's from the Greek word called apato, meaning to deceive.
Okay. And is it because it resembles another stone?
Different stones, tourmaline in the pink color, because currently we carry only green and the blue shades, and then a honey color in the cat's eye, but it does come in the other colors, like pink color, green color like a peridot. So it resembles peridot, tourmaline, and yellow in the citrine.
Oh, I see. But it's more economical.
Oh, this one is, this one is more economical. So.
And then what is the Mohs hardness on this stone? Is it good for use in jewelry?
So it's on the 5 scale. Mohs hardness is 5. So it's not very hard stone, but it's okay for like a pendants, brooches, pendants, and that for the necklaces or anklets. But for the ring, you have to be careful. So it may just protect it from the scratches.
Okay.
Otherwise, it may get scratches. I mean, you can scratch this stone with the knife.
Okay.
That's how soft it is.
So good to keep in mind. That's great for pendants. Maybe not so good for bracelets. Because it's softer.
Yeah, it's a softer. I mean, if you put it on the bracelet, be careful. That's all. Yeah.
Okay. And then what about the colors here? Are these natural? Are they dyed?
These are all natural colors. Yeah, we carry it. So you've seen this. And so blue and green currently, that's what we carry. And then we carry sometime in the stock offer, we carry the cat's eye.
Okay.
Cat's eye apatite. So which is more honey color, greenish, yellowish color. So when we call apatite in our catalog, which is just that color. Okay. And then for the blue color, we mention the blue for the dark blue color, and then of course the green color. So the green color is known as green apatite is called as asparagus stone.
That makes sense. Asparagus apatite.
Asparagus apatite.
It's a pretty color. So where is this mined or found?
So it's the mining in Sri Lanka, and then Burma, India, Brazil. That's where it's mostly mined. Yeah.
Okay. And then how should we care for this stone to keep it looking good?
Warm soapy water. That's the best way to. With the heat, it may change the color, but not in the machine. It may break also. So just warm soapy water, the best way to clean it.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I have a project today to show you, and it's super simple. I think you'll like it.
All right.
So I thought we would make a pendant using an apatite cabochon. So you can see here.
Beautiful.
Beautiful necklace pendant featuring that blue apatite cabochon.
Okay.
So you're going to love how simple this is. So here is my finding.
So
that's
base metal?
Yep. Yeah, so it's super economical. This would be great to produce to sell or to gift. And I'm going to actually have you help me here. I'm going to set this down. I'm going to use just a little bit of a quick hold glue and apply that to the finding using a toothpick here. And then, I'm going to have you grab one of the flat back cabochons, and all you need to do is just set it in there.
Well, that's calibrated, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Just put it there, right?
And then you can pick any kind of chain that you like, depending on what style you prefer. I just have a simple silver chain here.
That's great for daily use, you know.
Yes.
It looks pretty strong, you know, the chain.
Yes, and then I'm just going to string that on there.
Yep.
So didn't you love how simple that is to make?
Oh, I love the simple part. And the best, I like the chain and the pretty strong chain, and good for the daily use.
It is. Thank you so much, Dev, for joining us today and teaching us about Apatite.
Oh, my pleasure. See you next time.
Thank you for joining us. It sure is nice having our very own graduate gemologist teach us about stones. I know I learned a lot, and I hope you did too. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Go online to our website and sign up for our email newsletter and find links to the products that we shared here below. Happy beading!